Good morning, students. Welcome back to our revision session of subject EVS, lesson number 11, our vehicles, of your workbook, page number 84. And we will continue from page number 84, question number 3rd. So, student, open your workbook, page number 84, and question number 3rd. Put a tick mark in front of the statements that are true and a cross in front of those that are false. Here comes the first one. A horse cart has 4 wheels. So this is a right statement. Now we will move to the page number 85. So student, you can see on your screen the pictures of horse cart, and you can see in some pictures the horse cart having the 2 wheels also and the 4 wheels also. So if in this sentence the horse cart has 2 wheels, so this is also a right statement. And if it is written that it has 4 wheels, so this is also a right statement. Now we will move to the page number 85. So student, here comes the page number 85 on your screen, and this is the question number 3rd. Second one, an auto rickshaw runs on gas. So this is also a right statement. Third one, a large truck has more than 4 wheels. So this is also a correct statement. So we have to put a tick mark in front of the statement. Fourth one, a boat runs on petrol. Yes, this is also a correct statement. So we have to put a tick. Fifth one, the number 100 is dialed if we want to call the police for any help. So this is also a correct statement. For calling police, we have to dial the 100. Now, sixth one, to travel over the sea, we use steamers. So here, this is also a correct statement. So we have to put a tick mark. Now here comes the 7th one. Trains are used to travel through the air. So this is a wrong statement. Now students, we will move to the question number 4th. Match the columns appropriately. Column A and column B. Now here in this column A, first one, traveling on a road of iron. So we have to match the right answer, and here the right answer is train. Second one, for fetching and carrying letters. So here comes the answer, postal van. Third one, for traveling in a desert. So we need a camel. So here answer is camel. For traveling on mountainous road. So where we need a horse. Now here comes the 5th one, for disabled people. So the disabled people, answer is they use tricycle. Now here comes the 5th one, how would you choose to go from your house to the places written below? Write in the box. Here comes your house, and here you have to go in a many places, and here places are market, friend's house, across the sea, and school, and many more places are given here. So which vehicle we can use? From your house to first one is market. So I would like to use the auto rickshaw. To your house to my house to my market. So I will use auto rickshaw. Now here comes the friend's house. To friend's house I will use the bicycle. And here comes a grandmother's nanny's house. So for that I will use bus. Now in the right hand side it is written the school. From your house to school we can use the bicycle and school van. Now here in the downside it is written relatives who lives in the hilly areas. So we can use the vehicle, minibus, jeep and ropeway. Here comes the downward across a river. So we have to cross the river. So we can use the boat. And in the down, it is written across the sea. For crossing the sea, we can use the steamer. So now we'll turn the page 86. So student, here comes the page number 86 on your screen, and here it is written, right in front of each picture what the vehicle is used for. In the spaces provided, draw the picture of some other vehicles, write their names and what they are used for. So in the columns are here, two columns are given. In the first column, the vehicles are already drawn and we have to write the uses. Here it comes the first one, hand cart, and here the uses are for selling things like vegetables and fruits. And in the second one, it's a postal van. So postal van is used for fetching and carrying letters, parcels, etc. And here comes the third one. Here it is a tricycle, and tricycle is used for disabled people. Here comes the fourth one, tractor, and tractor is used in the farming. Here comes the fifth one, the city bus, or we can say the double-decker bus. So here, to go to different places in the same city. Now here comes the sixth one, ambulance, and here the ambulance is used to take sick people to hospital. And now in the seventh one, it comes the train. So we have no need to draw the picture, just we have to write the vehicle name. So we have written the train. Here train are used for many people can travel at the same time and for long distance traveling. Now here comes the last one, eighth one is a cycle, and here cycle comes, the uses are for children to go to school or nearby places and for riding. Now we will move to the page number 87. So student, here comes the page number 87 on your screen. Question number 7. Names of some vehicles are given. On one side, in the column, write the number of wheels each vehicle has and write its uses in other column. So here the column is already provided and the headings are in the first column, name of the vehicles, and here name of the vehicle is already given, and in the middle number of wheels. So we have to write the number of wheels, and we have to write the third column. In the third column we have to write the uses also. So first one, the name of the vehicle is bus, and in the bus the number of wheels are more than 4, and the uses are as follows: for traveling, for long distance traveling, for transporting a marriage party. Now we will move to the second one. It is written bullock cart, and in this bullock cart it is written 2 wheels, and the uses are for traveling, for fetching and carrying grains, and also farming tools. So students, I will show some pictures of bullock cart. So student, on your screen you can see the pictures of bullock cart, and you can see there are 2 wheels. I will show some more pictures. Here comes some pictures on your screen of bullock cart. Here comes, you can see on your screen. So student, I think so you have understood very well through pictures that bullock cart has 2 wheels. Now we will move to the third one, auto rickshaw. And in this auto rickshaw, the number of wheels are 3, and the uses are for traveling and for going to school. Now here comes the fourth one, train or metro rail. And in this, the number of wheels are many. There are many wheels, and the uses are for traveling, for long distance traveling, and bringing and sending cargo. Now here comes the fifth one, airplane, and the number of wheels are more than 4, and the uses are for speedy traveling, for going from one country to another. Now here comes the last one, bicycle, and in the bicycle number of wheels are only 2, and the uses are for short distance traveling and for going to school. So now student, we will move to the page number 88. So student, on your screen you can see the page number 88, and we will read the question number 8. From the sounds given below, can you tell which vehicle is it? One example is given. So your example is chuk chuk, and the right answer is which vehicle? Yes, the train. Now we have to write the vehicle name. Now here comes the first one, pom pom, and the answer is car. The second one, ghar ghar, and here the answer is airplane. And in the third, it is written pip pip, and the vehicle name is scooter. And in the fourth one, it's a tup tup, and here comes the vehicle name is horse cart. And the last one, fifth one, here comes the tring tring, and the vehicle name is bicycle. So student, we will end here only, and in the next revision session we will continue from question number 9 and page number 88. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you.